for kids.
Common animals.
Sheep. Sheep.
Sheep. Sheep. Sheep. Sheep.
A group of sheep is called a flock. A group of sheep is called a flock. Duck. Duck.
Duck. Duck. Duck. Duck.
Ducks paddle in water with their webbed feet. Ducks paddle in water with their webbed feet.
Bird. Bird.
Bird. Bird. Bird.
Birds lay eggs in nests. Birds lay eggs in nests. Dog. Dog.
Dog. Dog. Dog. Dog.
Do you have a dog at home? Do you have a dog at home?
Sheep.
Sheep.
Duck.
Duck.
Bird.
Bird.
Dog.
Dog. On.
So. Be. On. So.
B.
And.
O.
Of.
Body parts. Foot. Foot.
Foot. Foot. Foot. Foot.
We go to school on foot. We go to school on foot. Ear. Ear.
Ear. Ear. Ear. Ear.
We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears.
Nose. Nose.
Nose. Nose. Nose. Nose.
Can you touch your nose? Can you touch your nose?
Eye. Eye.
Eye. Eye. Eye. Eye. We use our eyes to see. We use our eyes to see. Foot.
Foot.
Ear.
Ear. Nose.
Nose.
Eye.
Eye. P, P, B, bat. B, bat. Bat, bat. B, bell. B, bell. Bell, bell. B, bee. B, bee. Bee, bee.
Words start with B.
Bee, bird, bike, ball,
bell,
bowl.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. You did it! Duck. Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Great job!
Ear.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome!
Dog,
Can you point to?
bird,
Fantastic!
bird.
Can you pick out?
Eye.
Awesome!
Eye.
Can you pick out?
sheep,
Fantastic!
sheep,
Can you pick out? B.
That is right!
Can you pick out?
So. Awesome!
Các bạn nhớ đăng ký và like video nha.